Hey everyone, it's Kim, AngelDreamCrafts, and I'm here with my next collab video for the love of vintage shabby chic with Sam, the Scottish crafter. Hey Sam! We are doing this collab the second Sunday of every month, but boy, time is going by fast because it feels like I just did my last video, but so here we are again, and in May, the second Sunday in May, and it's also Mother's Day here, so happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. And this time I have done a fun vintage inspired fairy wall hanging, and I used my favorite fairy image. I absolutely love this image. She's so pretty and so sweet, and she has all kinds of bits everywhere. She has pins and thread and bottle caps and keys and seashells, all kinds of fun things hanging from her. She's got lots of rings on and beads and everything. Feathers, butterfly. I feel like this is me sometimes, you know, in my craft room. I have a lot of stuff in my craft room, and, you know, so I just kind of love this image. But I made a wall hanging out of it, and I started off with this square doily that was in my stash, and I actually cut this from a vintage pillow sham, and I used that as my base, and then I used my favorite tulle trim going all the way around. I've got a hanger on it and one of my doily flowers here, and then I backed it with some really pretty trims, as you can see here. I went around a second time with this lovely double layer lace in front of the tulle. You can see it there. And then I did a smaller trim on top of that, so it's got like 3 layers of lace going around it, which I love it. The more the better, I think. And then I just started layering on. I cut some flowers and added some of the little rhinestone doodad flowers, some of my loose rhinestones that I love. Cut up some bridal appliques here and here, some little satin flowers from my stash. And these were flowers that were made by friends. And you'll have to forgive me, I can't remember who made this one, but I know Siobhan made this one, who is Pearl and Button. But this is a beautiful flower, and I added a little tulle bow. And then I added a flower applique over here. And then I added a couple of the little tiny doodad flowers down here. I don't even know if you'll be able to make them out. They're so tiny. Right there, there, and there. And then there's another one down here at the bottom. They're white, and they have a tiny gold center. But this center here was also gifted to me from Siobhan. Hi, Siobhan. And then this key I altered. I added some rhinestones to it. Another flower applique with the little clay flowers, and then coming down to the bottom you can see there's dangles and more beautiful lace as well. Some seam binding. I just love wall hangings, and I love this fairy image. I wonder if I can zoom out. Let me zoom out a little bit. See if I can get it all in there. There we go. That's better. So that is my little wall hanging for the collab, and all of the links to all of the ladies are in the description box, so please go over and check out their projects this month. Every month it's so fun, and I'm sorry you'll hear my husband and his friend talking in the background. Every month I'm just inspired and amazed by everything everyone makes. So please go over and show them some YouTube love. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my project this month, and I will be back soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.